Hi everyone, so I'm just giving you a little bit of an update that's happened on my portfolio. I said that it could potentially happen sometime this month, and it has happened. I have officially sold out on my Adobe position, which gave me a nice $2,000 profit on my shares that I sold, which is really good. Now, I think Adobe stock is still a really good stock for the year. For a long-term hold, it's really good, but I just kind of feel like the market's gone up. It's at a new all-time high. Time for me to get out and invest somewhere else. It's a little bit undervalued in my opinion. If I ever see Adobe stock kind of drop again from where it's at, I think it's about 240 now, 241. If it ever did drop again, then it's potentially a stock I would get in. I'd be looking to get in about 230ish if it was to drop again. But yeah, like I say, I got in when it had the dip, and then I got out when it hit its all-time high again. Nice bit of profit made on that, and at the end of the day, that's what we're all here to do in the stock market, is to make money on stock. And I made the money I sold, and I'll wait for the dip again. And it's another stock that I'll probably get back in if it was a dip, because I still really highly rate Adobe stock. Hopefully that'll be some time before it ends, but you never know. Now the profit with Adobe stock that has been made from it has actually officially gone into two new stocks. So as you know, for a while I've kind of held two stocks for kind of the last couple of months, which has now turned to three stocks. I'm not going to announce the two stocks that I've bought, but if you've been watching my videos recently, you probably have a good idea which of them two stocks are going to be. I'm not going to announce the two stocks that I bought until I do the three stocks that I'm buying, which will be in obviously towards the end of the month, which is not too far away, from about 15 days, is when I'll do the two stocks that I'm buying. I'll announce them then. But like I say, from the videos that you've seen, you probably for sure know one stock that I bought, and for the second stock, you've probably heard me mention it in the 10 stocks to watch video. It is on that list, so that's a big clue. And if you watch that video, you'll probably be able to work out which new stock it is that I purchased into. As far as my portfolio goes now, pretty much Microsoft is still my biggest position, and I tend to hold them shares towards the end of the year. My price target is 105 on the Microsoft shares, but at the moment it's going at quite a nice rate. I think it's around $97, $98 per share at the moment, so it's only about $7 off, which isn't too far. So maybe before December, then that might happen. They might actually get to that price, and I might sell out. As far as it goes after that, I don't know what I'll be looking at, to be fair, in the stock market. Potentially might be looking at Apple again after Microsoft. It will be a tech stock that would replace Microsoft. Amazon, I'm really impressed with Amazon's earnings. Nvidia, I was really impressed with their earnings, but the only problem is a lot of it came from the crypto mining side of it. So I don't know how that would fare in the long term, really. But there's potential for another tech stock to go in there. And then obviously I've got my two new stocks, which I plan to hold. I reckon one of them will be a hold to about July time, and another one will be a hold to about November, December time, to the end of the year. I don't see that going up for a little bit, but eventually it will do, because it's good earnings that it's been pulling out. But like I say, I'll talk about more of them two stocks when it comes to the three stocks that I'm buying at the end of the month. So if you want to know the two stocks that I bought to replace Adobe, you'll have to wait until then. Guys, give it a like, subscribe, and I'll do another stock battle video coming up after this video, unless there's some crazy news that comes out that will more likely be the next video. So guys, I'll see you on the next video.